So I'm Kieran. We're at the Samuel Leeds BRR week at Heathrow, and yeah, I've just joined back the academy as an associate.
Amazing. So you've done a year already.
I actually have done a year already.
How's it been?
The first year was definitely a growth year. I was 18 when I joined, and it was very much unique experience. I learned a lot of experiences. But yeah, I thought I'd join back. I'm now about 20 years old. I'm going to be 21 in August. Had a bit of property experience, and now, yeah, I'm ready to just join back and scale the business.
Amazing. So when you were 18, you had how many properties did you got?
When I joined, I had nothing, no experience, nothing. And it was literally I was literally at the bottom, literally no knowledge at all. Just understood property was a good investment. So I was just like, okay, let's see what we can do. Learned all the courses, did all the weeks of training, and it was, yeah, mind blowing.
Amazing. And how many properties are you controlling now?
So right now I've got one up and running as a rent service accommodation. I've had two. I had a little bit of an issue with the first one. It got robbed 3 times. So I've been through some dark times in the business already. But yeah, I've got my mind set on a few more over the next year. So we'll see where it goes.
Amazing. And tell me what the energy is like in the room, like what it's like learning from Samuel.
Definitely electric. It's a unique experience. It's nothing like you'll experience in school or anything like that. It's very much engaging, and there's a lot of information being thrown around. So I would definitely recommend when you do attend, it's keep notes, take notes, talk to people, talk to mentors, have questions, ask loads of questions. But yeah, no, in that room it's different.
Amazing. And what's it like seeing people land deals live?
Land deals live. Oh, I mean, I've not got much personal experience with buying and refurbishing properties or buying land yet. I've seen and I've spoken to a lot of people who are doing really well in the property space. And well, I mean, that's the goal for everyone. So want to buy good property, good investment, land, speak to these people, is the room to be in.
Amazing. And for the people who think about getting into property, something like this is the place to start.
Well, I don't know of anyone else in the property education space that does training and gives information out like this in depth with the facilities that Samuel does. He's pretty much one of a kind in the field, and that's why I decided to join back. I'm a returning customer of the academy. So yes, there's a big investment up front, but it's very minuscule in the grand scheme of things.